Hello traders, so it's Beneki again. I'm just doing a quick video. I just got into a trade, Great British Pound US dollar. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what I was looking at on the charts with my confluences, and also going to go into a bit of what retail might have highlighted initially. So if you are let's say a smart money concepts trader or whatever, you'll be able to see how you can combine that sort of thing with what we do. So basically, let's just this is an hours chart. You can see the last down candle before the big up move there historically. So that would probably be an area of interest should you be a smart money concepts trader. Um, Also, an area of demand, you could highlight that as well, that kind of area. So you probably would have thought about a trade within this kind of area. Can I draw a rectangle out from probably that kind of area? We'll pretend that we'll call that like a buy zone or whatever if you want. So your area of demand, you can see we came down rejected. We've got a rejection tail there, which tells me straight away, just looking at that, that there was limit orders sitting here, which we'll validate in a minute. But there's resting orders sitting there and they got filled in this area of supply. So if you're a supply demand trader, you might already have a piece of the puzzle in that you would have this highlighted, but you need more confluence and you want to be able to do like get a tighter entry. So that's what they would look like on a normal 1 hour candlestick chart, right? So now we go into the profiles. We can see we came down into this area here where there's an area of acceptance that's happened. And we got here this line, which is the point of control. So we'd go from the edge of this ledge where this like cluster is. That's not a volume cluster. This is time-based. It's a market profile. So where most time spent gathering orders, if you like. And that's the point of control. So that's where I was interested. And we know that is in alignment with that 1 hour candlestick chart. We can then fine tune it even more. And we can see here again, there's a point of control on a custom morning chart. Again, with an edge of a ledge and the value area. And we've got here another little area of high demand. So I marked out this area here with that duct just below it, just by 2 or 3 pips, and then rejected, as you can see. And that's in alignment with one of our mid-morning kill zone charts to do like an even better top-down analysis within our timing kill zone. And we could see we came down. Let me just open this profile up. You can see we came down right into this value area low to the pip and rejected. So we had that candlestick 1 hour general demand zone with a question mark where traders would be thinking, shall I take a trade? Shall we not? We can then validate it even more by looking at the standard day profile, although this is not a standard day profile because I have different TPO settings. And then we can fine tune it even more with our generic morning chart to find the level, and then fine tune it even more to a specific time zone or time frame, kill zone time into the value area there. So we've got loads of confluences there, but we could also see on the VWAP chart, these magenta candles telling me, that's my study telling me there's delta divergences coming into the area of interest. And also, I'll make this bigger, on the absorption chart, we can see not only did my absorption study trigger right in this area of interest into that 1 hour demand zone. So not only did that trigger, but you can see this green rectangle there with all those big numbers in it. That is passive resting limit orders of a specific size, which were residing at these levels, just waiting to get filled. You can see we came down, tapped into it, rejection tail, absorption taking place. So aggressive sellers got absorbed by passive buyers. and then up we go. So I then have entered, and I'm got a downward trend channel there, and I'm going up probably another. I only want another 10 pips or so. I'm currently sitting. Let me have a quick look. I'm only sitting about 7 or 8 pips in profit, but I'm probably going to take profits somewhere around about here, to be honest with you. I don't want to be greedy. We could trade up higher, but I'm not interested in that. I just want to get in, get my money, and get out. So I'm happy with sort of anywhere between 10 and 20 pips in a move. That's a sweet spot for Great British Pound US dollar before we sort of get a move up and a retracement. So uh, I can confidently say that because I've been trading this currency pair for 14 years. So 27 pips is always nice. But anywhere between 10 to 20 pips in a move, I like without having to see too many retracements or nothing. So that is my reasons for getting into the trade using the market profiles. These are all my custom market profile charts, obviously, and then using the absorption chart and seeing the delta divergence on the VWAP chart. There are so many confluences to get long, and as I say, I'm just looking for a few more pips up, and then I'll just take my profits. So I hope you got some value in that, and I'll post in the Discord group where I take profits. But you know my analysis and my right. So hello again. It's about 50 minutes since I made that video, and I'm out of both positions now. And I'll just show you quickly. It's easier. What I posted in the Discord community. So this was the video that I just made earlier, what you've just literally watched. And then I took profits in the end on one position. I took it when we come up to around about here for about 15 pips. And then I said, didn't I was looking for profits fully out somewhere around about there. And then you can see I TP'd on my last remaining position, just having swept the liquidity above there. And then I closed out that position. And I closed it out as well because I was expecting a bit of a pullback because my afternoon chart had then opened at a specific time. You can see we've got that long, thin single print all the way up. So I knew we'd get some sort of mini rejection. So I just wanted to see that liquidity get swept above there. Thought we might come down a bit lower and then we may see a continuation, but I just wanted to bank my money at that point. So that was where I closed out my second position. And yeah, as easy as that. Right, hope you got some value from that, guys, and I shall catch you on the next video. Right, take it easy. Have a lovely day. Cheers. Bye-bye.